Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So this is kind of an impromptu video or premiere because I am doing this for a very special person. That's my best friend, and it happens to be his Australian birthday today. And so I thought I'd just do a little premiere for him. I just want to say thank you for the millionth time to you, sweet wombat, for being such an awesome best friend. You've been there for me through so much, and I wouldn't have got through a lot without you. So not only have you taught me everything I know about painting, but you've also been like the most amazing best friend, and I just love you to pieces. I don't know what I'd do without you. You and Sis mean the world to me. I wouldn't want to be on this painting journey with anybody else. You guys have been there with me from the beginning, and I just love you both to pieces. And I just want to say happy birthday to the bestest friend that a girl could ever have. And I love you so much. So I'm gonna do something on this star, because as we all know, you're an absolute star. So I'm just gonna play a little music, and I'm just gonna let you guys watch, and I hope you like it. BFF, you're the best.
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out singing like. Told. But I don't mind even though I lose control. Oh, I just wanna have a good time, so call me whenever, 'cause a night like this, it never gets old. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out singing like. Even though we got no money, for sure it's so funny. Yeah, everything's better with them. We're just like, ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just, ooh, ooh, ooh. What we wanna do tonight. Waking up at sundown, the world's our playground, and we don't even have to pretend. Every time we're together, it doesn't get better. And every day's like a weekend. We're just like, ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like you. You see, we just act a little crazy, and we're following our heartbeats. We don't wanna be like you. Got the boombox blasting and we're just laughing. The neighbors try to shut us down, but you know they can't blame us for acting shameless. Now we just like to have some fun. We're just like ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just ooh, ooh, ooh. What we wanna do tonight before we all grow old. So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like you. You see, we just act a little crazy, and we're following our heartbeats. We don't wanna be like you. Don't wanna be like you. Don't wanna act like you. Don't wanna be like you. Don't wanna act like you. And I know that I'm just wasting time, but I don't wanna let it go. I don't wanna let it go. And I know that I might not be fine, but I will never let it go. No, I will never let it go. So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. How I should. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like you. You see, we just act a little crazy, and we're following our heartbeats. We don't wanna be like you. Don't wanna be like you. Don't wanna be like you. Don't wanna act like you. Don't wanna be like you. Don't wanna be like you. Don't wanna act like you. Don't wanna be like you.
Alright guys, I'm going to bring you guys down for a close-up. Alright guys, here she is. Tell me what you think in the comments. I think she turned out really pretty. So, BFF, this one's for you. I hope you like it. Thank you again for always being there, for being the best BFF ever, and you rock. Love you to pieces. Alright guys, that's it for me. See you on the next one. Happy birthday, BFF.